Hello students, my name is Satnam Singh and again I welcome you on this online platform of Sandeepni Gurukul. Students, today we will be learning about positions of metal, non-metal and metalloid in periodic table. Yes students, where these metals, non-metal and metalloid are placed in periodic table. So students, what we say, this full S block element, D block element and F block element. So when we are talking about this S block element, these these F block element and these D block elements, they are all what? They are all metals. So S block, D block and P block students, S block, D block and F block, they all consist of what? They are all consist of metal except hydrogen. Yes students, हम हाइड्रोजन को मेटल नहीं मानते, हम S block, D block और F block element को metals कहते हैं. तो they S block, D block and F block, they are exclusively metals. So what we will say, S, P and D, they consist of what? They consist of metals except what? Except your hydrogen, except hydrogen. Now students, we are talking about what? We are talking about non-metals, or we say what? Where metalloids are placed. Okay, see students, one more important thing here, what we will say is, this is going to be all metalloids. Students, these are going to be what? These are going to be some metalloids. These are going to be what? These are going to be metalloids over here. This is going to be metalloid. Students, I want to add one important thing over here. See, this metal, full S block is metal, D block is metal, and even F block is what? It is metal. And these elements which are touching metals over here, see these elements are also what? These are also considered as what? Metal. And these six elements, these six elements which are circled, they are going to be what? They are going to be metalloid. You call them as semi-metals. They are called metalloid. They show the properties of both metals and non-metal. Now students, this particular portion, the remaining part, this portion is going to be what? It is going to be all non-metals. It is going to be all non-metals. So students, here we have learnt about position of metal, non-metal and metalloids in our periodic table. We say S, D and then F, and some of the P block elements consist of what? Metal except what? Hydrogen. Then students, we say this P consists of what? Metals, non-metals and what? And metalloids. So students, ये थी जानकारी about position of metal, non-metal and metalloid in periodic table, और इसे आपको याद करना है. Thank you.